welcome to everyone. Today we move on to the very important part of carboxylic acid chapter, acidic nature. It means why carboxylic acids are acidic with the different substitution of halogen atoms and alkyl groups. So very important for your theory part as well as your competitive examination, friends. This basically carboxylic acid. I think all of you know this is the formula RCOOH. When carboxylic acid undergoes react with the water, yes, the formation of the compound is RCOO minus. This is called carboxylate ion with the formation of H3O plus, we call hydronium ion. This reaction is enough for the explanation of carboxylic acid shows carboxylic acid because the component H can easy to release. And also friends, carboxylic acids are react with an alkalis. Like example, this is your carboxylic acid. When it react with an alkali like NaOH, yes, the formation of the compound is corresponding salt. It releasing a water. This is a loss of water, and now this is RCOO. Na we call it sodium alkanoate. This reaction is also explained. Carboxylic acids are acidic in nature, and this is a basic concept of reaction of our syllabus. And based on this reaction, formation of carboxylate ion and hydronium ion formation, we can express the carboxylic acid with different substitution character. Yes, friends, already we know this concept in phenol as well as our chapter is amines. Yes, the first one EDG and another one is EWG. You know what is EDG means? Electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. Electron donating group, alkyl groups are electron donating group in carboxylic acids, and electron withdrawing group, especially halogen atoms. The halogen atoms are very powerful electron withdrawing groups in the aliphatic carboxylic acid. Based on these two concepts, we start or we express the acidic nature. Yes, let us begin the electron donating group, friends. As my knowledge concerned is an acid. This is a formic acid, acetic acid, and propionic acid. And these three are the best example of electron donating group. Friends, you keep in your mind, this is your alkyl group, this is your alkyl group. As alkyl group increases, they are ready to donate the electrons to the your carbonyl carbon. Once the electron donation takes place to the carbonyl carbon, the hydrogen cannot so easy to live away. So the acidity becomes to the less. Yes, this is methyl. In this case, ethyl, there is two alkyl groups. This methyl and methylene carbon total ethyl group is ready to donate the electrons to the carbonyl carbon. This hydrogen is not so easy to release. It means it's also less acidic. But in formic acid, there is no alkyl groups. There is no alkyl groups, so there is no electron donation takes place. So in this case, when this formic acid is reacted to water, the easy to formation of formate ion, the H is can easy to release. So this is high acidic. Yes, electron donor ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರ್ಬನಿಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಯಾನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂತೆ ಅಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊರಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ದೇ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ಅಯಾನ್. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಆಸ್ alkyl group increases, acidity decreases. This is a very important concept to keep in your mind. This is the first statement. As electron donor group increases, electron donor group increases, acidity decreases. As mentioned in our syllabus, if they ask in examination as formic acid and acetic acid, among these which is more acidic? Yes, formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid, because acetic acid having electron donor group, formic acid does not having any electron donor group. This is the first concept, electron donor group. Yes, I repeat once again, as electron donor group increases, acidity decreases. Electron ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗೆ acidity ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, especially alkyl ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, this is EDG. Yes, in the next, if you got this point, and let us move on to the second one, is electron withdrawing group. It's a very important and interesting part of our syllabus, electron withdrawing group. Already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, halogens are the best component. Yes, halogen ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಸರ್? Chloro, bromo and hydrogen. As halogen groups are electron withdrawing group. Yes, like example friends, very simple. This is a CH3 COOH. This is called acetic acid. But remove one hydrogen here. CH2. This is a ClCOOH. Name of this compound monochloroacetic acid. But remove the two hydrogen. This is a CH, ClCl, COOH, dichloroacetic acid. As I remove this one also, these are the three hydrogen atoms. COOH, trichloroacetic acid. Yes, acetic acid. This is an one electron withdrawing group of monochloro, a two electron withdrawing 2-chloro. Now this is an 3-chloro. Yes, friends, as electron withdrawing increases, acidity decreases, because these halogen can withdraw the electron from this this alkyl group, and this alkyl group drag this electron from the carbonyl carbon. Now the proton can easy to release. Andre makkale, halogen ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಆಲ್ಕೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನಿನ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂತದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಆಸ್ electron withdrawing group increases, as electron withdrawing group increases, ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂತೆ, as electron withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. As electron group withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. This is a general statement. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೋನರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, it is having electron withdrawing ಇಲ್ಲ, is electron donor, it is an less acidic. This is your one electron withdrawing, two electron withdrawing, three electron withdrawing. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, as electron withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, this is comes to first place, and here too this is in a second place, and this comes to the third place. Obviously this is your fourth, because there is no electron withdrawing. So these are the priority. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಟ್ರೈಕ್ಲೋರೋ is more acidic than dichloro is, and then monochloro and the acetic acid. This is a concept of electron withdrawing group. I repeat, as electron withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. So this is second statement. I have two. One is electron donor increases, acidity decreases. As electron withdrawing increases, acidity increases. This is the second concept of your carboxylic acid. And apart from this, now we want the next one. So the very important halogenated acid. The halogenated same acid. I have to consider F, CH2COOH. This is called fluoroacetic acid. Yes. This is a Cl, CH2COOH. Name of this compound? Chloroacetic acid. Yes, now this is your Br, CH2, COOH. Name of this compound? Bromoacetic acid. And now the compound last one, ICH2, COOH. This is iodoacetic acid. There are 4 acetic acid with different halogens. Yes, all are halogens. Halogens are electron withdrawing group. Now the confusion will start because all are same number of carbon, but the difference is halogen. What is the main statement, friends? As electronegativity of halogen, I repeat, as electronegativity of halogen increases, acidity increases. As electronegativity of halogen increases, acidity increases. Andre yava halogen electronegativity ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ acidic ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ fluoro is more electronegative than chloro, bromo and iodo. That means the fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than chloro, than bromo, than iodo is your answer. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Yes, halogen alkyl groupಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದು halogen different ಇದ್ರೆ, as you keep in your mind, the concept is as electronegativity of halogen increases, acidity increases. This is the third statement of your carboxylic acid. If you ask this question in your ascending or descending order of the arrangement, you can express, friends, fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than chloro, than bromo, than iodo, because the reason electronegativity of fluorine is more than the chloro, bromo and iodo. This is the third concept of your acidic nature. And apart from this, come to the directly the last one. It's also depend on electron withdrawing group with 2 same halogen atoms. With friends, 2 same halogen atoms with 2 same alkyl group, but the position is changed. CH2, this is a Cl, CH2, COOH. Now this is a CH3, CH, this is a Cl, COOH. First you have to mention the name of this compound. 1, 2, 3. This is 3-chloropropionic acid. 3-chloropropionic acid. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 2-chloropropionic acid. This is also an question. Thus among these, which is more acidic? So keep in your mind, alkyl groups are same, halogens are same, but the difference, the position of the halogen is different. This is what is the main cause of acidic nature. It's very simple. Yes, the substitution of halogen is nearer to the carboxylic group. Substitution of halogen atom nearer to carboxylic group. I repeat, the substitution of halogen atom nearer to the carboxylic group, those acids are more acidic. This statement anna tilkolak prayatna madanu. Inantane substitution of halogen atoms are nearer to the carboxylic groups, those acids are more acidic. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗೆ ಇದು 3ನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗೆ 2ನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದರ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ the substitution is nearer, this acid having a nearer halogen atoms for this. Obviously the 2-chloropropionic acid is more acidic than the 3-chloropropionic acid, or either you can mention like this also. Yes, 3-chloropropionic acid is less than the 2-chloropropionic acid. Reason is the halogen atoms are attached nearer to the carboxylic group. They are little far away. This is the last concept. Friends, keep in your mind that today we have a very important acidic nature of carboxylic acids in two patterns, electron donor group and electron withdrawing group. Electron donor group is very easy. As electron donor group increases, acidity gradually increases. The alkyl groupಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಂಗೆ acidity decrease ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Electron withdrawing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, as electron withdrawing group increases, acidity increases. ಅಂದ್ರೆ electron withdrawing groupಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದರೆ acidity ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಎರಡನೇದು ಹೆಲೋಜನ್ಗಳು alkyl groupಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೆಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದಾಗ, so the second concept is highest electronegativity of the halogen is attached to the carboxylic group is more acidic. Fluoro is more acidic than chloro, than bromo, than iodo. In the next concept, if you have two same halogen but the substitution place or substitution the position is different, yes, alli hodaga the substitution of halogen is nearer to the carboxylic is becomes more acidic than the far away. So hagadre 2-chloro more acidic ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 3-chloro ಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 3-chloropropionic acid is less than 2-chloropropionic acid because halogen is nearer to the carboxylic. Yes, this is your wonderful chapter is carboxylic acid. Just go through this chapter, friends, with all videos. Keep practicing. Yes, because the weightage of this chapter is only 2 marks for annual examination, but competitive point of view in JEE and NEET, as a weightage is very important. It is also one question for 4 marks in your competitive. Yes, thanks for watching these videos and keep practicing aldehyde and ketone and the carboxylic acids. It is a very important chapter in PUC second year. And thank you so much for the watching, and we discuss the next chapters in the next videos. Thank you.